Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to add, delete or edit staff member in Bookly in WordPress. So we are using booking plugin Bookly. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using Bookly plugin, and then you see staff member we are in. So we are going to add staff, delete or edit. Now you see add staff. So staff can manage booking. So click on it. If you want, you can add full name. Then you can add image. Now you see user drop down. Select from WordPress user. If the staff member requires separate login to access personal calendar, regular WordPress user need to create it for this purpose. User with administrator role will have access to calendar and setting of all staff member. User with another role will have access only to personal calendar and setting. So you can select user, then add email, phone number, info. Now you see color, visibility, public, private, archive, category. You can select available payment method, default, and then click on save. So in this way you can create staff member that can manage Bookly fully. So we have two staff member now you see, and then you see edit. So click on it. So we are in edit staff, and then you see full name, user. So this is a user. And then you see email. Now you see phone, info, visibility, color. You see all setting. And then you see advanced. So click on it. Now you see limit working hours per day. You can select unlimited, disable, enable. So you can configure according to requirement. Now go to services. Now you see we have services for this staff member. So you can assign or disable or enable according to requirement. Now you see, if you want you can delete it. So it's up to you. Now you see schedule. So you can add according to requirement. Now day off. So you can select day off and then click on save. So it's up to you. Now close. And now we are going to delete it. Now select and then click on delete. So in this way you can delete staff member. So we are using Bookly plugin. So in this way you can add, delete or edit staff member. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.